Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to potentially buy right now during the Christmas time period. So in the past 24 hours, the market is actually down about 1%. We have our top gainer here in the past 24 hours going to be TrueFi, which is currently up about 29%, trading at 42 cents. Our highest volume is going to be Bitcoin as usual at 20.6 billion in volume. Ethereum at 11.6 billion in volume. So volume has, dramatically dropped in the past few days. As you guys can see right here, in the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's down about almost 1%, Ethereum down almost 1%, still holding those levels that we've been holding pretty much for the past 48 hours or so. Bitcoin at around 51,000 and Ethereum close to that 4,100 area. As we can see, altcoins are following pretty much the same pattern, down about 1% or so, with some outliers obviously down here, down about 6%. We even have some that are in the green 1% or so. So everything is pretty much trading flat right now and waiting for that next pretty much leg up or leg down, depending on what the big crypto do. So as the large cap coins continue to go up, obviously mid cap and low cap coins follow suit right after and follow the same pattern. If the large cap coins go down, the mid cap and the small cap coins follow that same pattern and go down. So it's always the same thing. Whatever the big one is doing, the other one is doing the same thing most of the time. Obviously, you're going to find some outliers that do the opposite of what the market does, but that's obviously the same with everything else as well. Not everything's going to do the same pattern because then it would be too easy. So definitely something we're going to be looking into, guys. So before we get into it, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes for me for Christmas, guys. That could be my Christmas present from you. 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Now, first of all, the crypto bubble. So crypto bubbles are looking green once again. So we've been looking at these for the past, few weeks. And obviously right now, things are looking very, very green. We're only seeing a handful of red coins right here. As we can see, there's only like a few of them on this chart. Everything else is continuing to move on higher here. So we have Spell Token up over 53%. We have Gitcoin up over 72%. We have other coins here like Atom, which is up about 27%. Sushi Swap right there, 30%. Flux here up about 50% or so, and many other ones like Near Protocol, which we talked about in yesterday's video, I believe, 77.4% higher. So things are starting to move up higher and higher as the market continues to make a little bit of a recovery from pretty much the end of November when Thanksgiving was around and everything started to pull back down. So things are looking very, very nice. We even see Dogecoin on this list. We haven't seen this on the list in a long time. Dogecoin trading at around 19 cents right now, almost at 20 cents once again, making a slight recovery. So let's get into the countdown, guys. First altcoin on this list is going to be Engine Coin, so ENJ. This one is up about 6.5% here in the past 24 hours. Currently, it is up about to $3.07 per coin. In the past week, this one is up 33%, making a move here as one of the metaverse plays. So in the past month, we're down 36% with those lows down there of about $2.25, $2.20 area. In the past year, this one's up over 2,077% with highs here of over $4.85, close to $5 at one point, making that pullback of about 50%. So even this one right here made a 50% pullback, bounced off of that area, and now it's making a little bit of a run. So last year, this was trading at around 13 cents. We hit highs here in March and April at around $3 or so, pulled back down with the market to lows of about right under $1. And from that $1 range, if you would have bought, you could have made about a 400% gain or about a 4x right there on your investment if you would have bought on the low and sold here towards the top. But even if you were still holding, you'd still be up over 200% or so overall. So this coin is definitely one that's going to be successful in the future, in my opinion. 2.6 billion market cap. Volume is flat at 330.7 million. Typical hold time is going to be 30 days for right about 1 month. It is ranked the number 34th coin under ranking, 56% buy activity and 44% sell activity. Now, Engine Coin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens, NFTs. ENJ is used to directly back the value of NFTs minted within the Engine ecosystem. So obviously this one is connected to the metaverse via the NFTs. That's the big thing right now. So how it all works down here. Well, the ENJ token is the platform's native currency. When a new NFT is minted on the network, a chosen amount of ENJ is minted into the token. The locked funds give the newly built goods real-world value, as each item can be at any point melted back into the underlying ENJ backing. Now, the engine platform also provides software developer kits that equip developers with tools to build their own NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain and enable their integration into the gaming ecosystem or apps of their choice. So it's also getting into the gaming systems as well, or gaming, ecosystem. So the platform also maintains its own native NFT marketplace and a wallet with NFT support. Something to keep in mind, obviously, is NFTs created with the engine use a standard called ERC1155, which was developed by Engine's team and is distinct from the more common ERC-721 standard pioneered by the NFT art project's CryptoPunks. So definitely a great thing here with Engine Coin as it continues to grow. So definitely a coin that we're going to be watching in 2022 to see how things work out with this one. At only a 2.6 billion market cap, this one could easily do a 10x opportunity in the years to come. So that's our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Phantom FTM. This one in the past 24 hours is trading flat. In the past week, it's actually up 46% from lows down here of about $1.32. In the past month, this one's down about 20% or so from those lows of 125. And on the 1 year chart, we're up 11,865%. So this was trading at around 1.5 cents here last December. Hit highs here in May at around 92 cents, pulled back down to about under 20 cents again, and then continue to skyrocket on higher here past the $3 range. So over 1,000% gain right there. 10x opportunity from the low to the high, over 10x, close to 500 or 1500% gain right there. So 15x. So this one 5.2 billion market cap. Market cap continues to rise a little bit. Volume, we can see it's up 24% higher than usual at 1 billion, and obviously that all-time high at around that $3 range that we saw. So this coin, just to get back to the all-time high area, we will be trading at around 8 billion market cap or close to the 8 billion market cap. So right now we're hoping that this continues to continue to go higher and higher, pass to this $2.60 resistance area that we see, and then continue to push on even higher after that. So definitely one that we're going to be watching very, very closely. Not one that we talk about on the channel very often, but it is definitely an opportunity for the future that we're going to be looking into. So Phantom coin right there, guys. Then our last but not least, the third coin is going to be Algorand, so Algo. This one currently at a 10 billion market cap. In the past 24 hours of trading flat. In the past week, we're up 15%, and then on the 1 month chart, we're down about 10% with lows down here of about 126. In the past year, this one's up over 421%. So last December, this was trading at 30 cents. Hit highs here in February at around $1.68, which is pretty much where it's trading at right now. We couldn't break through those highs again in April when the rest of the market was booming. Pulled back down all the way down to about 70 cents here in July, and then skyrocketed on higher up into the twos, and then even hit even higher highs here at 282 at one point in November, right before Thanksgiving, before making about a 50% correction. And pretty much all the altcoins took about a 50% correction right after Thanksgiving, and that's something we saw consecutively in the market. So right here, we see volume is up 29% higher than usual at 500 million. Typical hold time is going to be 50 days. It is ranked at number 17 coin on the list. 68% buy activity, 32% sell activity. Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. So, how does all this work? Well, Algorand nodes reach consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system to verify new transactions and produce new crypto tokens. Now, Algorand's network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block of verified, transaction. The winner is awarded new algo, obviously. Now, something to keep in mind with this is PPOS systems like Algorand's are more efficient than proof of work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for the chance to win a block, a reward, and earn a transaction fees. So Algorand definitely another winner right there with only a 10 billion market cap. Definitely has opportunity to do some gains in the future once again. So that's gonna be our third altcoin on this list, guys. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, see how everything's performing. Shiba's down again, but it was making a nice run here for the past few days. Dogecoin, like we said, trading at 19 cents, close to 20 cents actually, very, very close right now. 25.1 billion market cap. We actually saw it up here, almost hit those 20 cents. Actually, we did hit 20 cents Christmas Eve right here. So Dogecoin making a little bit of a move on up, from those lows of about 16 cents support where we saw. Continues to go up higher and higher here. In the past month, we're trading in this range with the upward little trend right here. So definitely a positive here for Dogecoin if it continues to move on higher. Then we have Bitcoin, like we said, down about 1%. In the past week, we're up actually 10%. Past month, we're down 11%, but we're trading in this range. We need to break through this 51,000 resistance level and continue to push on higher. In the past year, we're only up 107% on Bitcoin, which is definitely underperforming the rest of the, altcoins that we're seeing in the market that are booming, hundreds of percent. So Bitcoin only about 100% gain. It's still about $19,000 away from the all-time high area, which gives it almost a 30% upside. Market cap 959.9 billion. 32% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin. We have 30% buy activity and, or no, actually 70% buy activity and 30% sell activity. And typical hold time is going to be 77 days. Ethereum, same pattern, down about 1%. In the past week, we're almost up 5%. Past month, down 5%. And then on the 1 year chart, 560%, making some real gains here, definitely outperforming the rest of the market, or most of the market, obviously. So we're only about $800 away from that all-time high area. Market cap at 483.5 billion, which is about 16% of the crypto market space volume, down about 25% lower than usual, as you guys can see. Typical hold time is going to be 69 days. We have 73% buy activity and 27% sell activity. I believe Ethereum will continue to grow into 2022 and continue to push on higher and higher, potentially even breaking through highs that we've been waiting for a long time. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen with crypto coming up in the next year? As always, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence. Happy holidays, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.